My name is Erwin Schrödinger, and I was born in Vienna, Austria in 1887. My parents were both religious as I was growing up, but surprisingly, I was an atheist. Science was just always something that I loved. In 1927, I became a professor in Berlin. I didn't particularly like Hitler's views and all the anti-Semitism, so I left Germany to go be a professor at the University of Oxford. I then won the Nobel Prize with Paul Dirac. In 1935, I proposed my theory, Schrödinger's cat. This basically stated that if I put a cat in a box with something that could randomly kill it at any moment, then technically after the cat is in the box, the cat is either dead or alive, but I won't know until I look in the box. Later, I worked with Werner Heisenberg on the electron model, and we used different equations to locate an electron on an atom. I died in 1961 in Vienna, Austria.
Hello, everybody. My name is Werner Heisenberg, and I am a scientist who contributed to the history of atoms. In 1901, I was born in Würzburg, Germany. But during high school, I left my home in Würzburg, Germany, and moved to Bolivia, Germany. In Bolivia, I worked in farms, and this also took place during World War II. In 1927, I discovered what I call the uncertainty principle. I used a particle accelerator to insert gamma rays into an atom to measure the position and velocity of electrons. This released energy into the atoms, causing the behavior to change. Gamma rays are a form of radiation that is dangerous to humans, similar to X-rays. The uncertainty principle explains how one cannot know where an electron is positioned in an atom if one knows the speed of how it moves, and vice versa. To create the uncertainty principle, I incorporated Max Planck's constant to mine. I worked with Schrödinger to mathematically determine where electrons most likely are located in an atom. I also worked with Bohr at the Institute for Theoretical Physics in Copenhagen in 1926. Here is where I created my uncertainty principle. In 1933, I was awarded a Nobel Peace Prize for the work that created the uncertainty principle. Sadly, I passed away in 1976.